Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to show you what happens when you take your paint job and you fly through a heavy rain shower. Now, I only went through rain when I was in IFR, completely IFR. We went through a rain shaft for about 40 seconds, and you'll get to see all the damage it did to the airplane. So stay tuned while we have some more fun looking at all this chipping away. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, as I said, I was on an IFR, and we were solid IFR. Just had my ticket. We were coming back from AYA 93, and we were, again, solid IFR near Mobile, Alabama, and inadvertently to us with no radar, we went through a rain shaft, and it was an interesting ride for a few seconds, but as you can see, it did quite the job on all the leading edges. I mean, everything. Strut, if there was a little gap on the canopy, on the side of the fuselages, on the wings, on the landing gear, I mean, it just took the paint off. Now, it wasn't a good paint job. It was a scuff and shoot that they had done many years ago and put a Beechcraft scheme on here with the white, the gray, and the red. But again, it was a good paint job, and I liked it. And after we had this little incident over Mobile, we decided that we were going to put the airplane in the shop and we were going to completely strip it and we were going to start over. So, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't take a lot of rain to do a lot of damage to your paint. It'll just chip it away. So it's a cautionary tale of what can happen, and so therefore you want to stay out of any severe weather that you can when you're flying, because it will be aggressive. It also depends on how well your paint is adhering to the aircraft itself. Well, there's a lot of different ways that you can decide that you're going to paint your airplane. Again, you can just sand it, scuff it up, and then reshoot over it. Now, in this particular case, we already had the split nose bowl and other stuff done to the airplane. So we were just going to strip it down to bare metal. And we have other videos of this particular airplane being stripped. It did have, believe it or not, 3 complete paint jobs on it when we were stripping it. We used a time stripper, and we got down to the second paint job, and there was primer in between. By the way, a full paint job on your airplane will add a little over 23 pounds of paint once it cures on your airplane. There's a lot of surface area on an airplane, and when you are used to like painting a car and you look at how much surface area you have, you're going to be buying about 3 times that much paint for an airplane. You forget you've got to paint the bottom of an airplane, and you have the bottom of the wings, and those are about as much area as a thing. But anyway, again, don't be flying through heavy rain. Now, hail, sand, and other debris will do damage to your paint, but it's up to you to keep track of that. You can polish some of it out and keep a good coat of wax on it. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found this cautionary tale useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And here's a little bit of the fun I get to see in the wee hours of the night when I'm working. The cats just scooting through the area.